Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make flan in an Instant Pot. First, gather your ingredients, including eggs, milk, and sugar, to ensure a smooth preparation process. Next, create a rich caramel by melting 1/2 cup of sugar until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Carefully pour this hot caramel into your heatproof mold, swirling to coat the bottom evenly. This foundational step sets the stage for a delicious dessert. Now, let's prepare the custard mixture. In a separate bowl, gently whisk together 4 large eggs, 1 can of evaporated milk, and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Incorporate 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to elevate the flavor profile. Remember to mix just until combined, being careful not to introduce too many air bubbles, which can affect the flan's smooth texture. This ensures a creamy, delightful result. With your caramel set, carefully pour the custard mixture into the mold. Cover the mold tightly with aluminum foil to protect the flan from steam and moisture during cooking. Place the covered mold on a trivet inside your Instant Pot with 1 cup of water. Cook on high pressure for 25 minutes, then allow a full natural pressure release. This method ensures a perfectly cooked, silky smooth flan every time. Once cooked, carefully remove the flan from the Instant Pot and let it cool completely before refrigerating. Chilling for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, is crucial for it to set properly and develop its full flavor. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edge of the mold, then invert it onto a serving plate. The caramel will cascade beautifully over the custard. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers, plus other great deals to help you in the kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.